In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 5, exercise 14.1, probability. Observe this question. If probability of event P of E equal to 0.05, what is the probability of not E? What we want? What probability of not E? So, what about its solution? First, I am writing given things. What things we are having? Given probability of event equal to what? 0.05. This is the probability of an event. Observe, we know that what we know? We know that probability of event plus probability of not event, probability of E plus probability of not E equal to what? Sum of probability of event plus probability of not event equal to what? 1. We want this one, this thing we are having. So probability of not E will be what? 1 minus probability of event. Put the value of probability of E, and this thing we are having in the question. So probability of not E will be what? 1 minus 0.05. Solve this one. Once we subtract 1 minus 0.05, then we are getting 0.95. This is what? Probability of not E. Probability of event we are having 0.05. Probability of not E, this one is what? This is the possibility, but not possibility is what? 0.95. So observe again, we are having probability of the event, we want what? Probability of not event. So we know well the formula, probability of event plus probability of not event equal to what? 1. Sum of probability of event plus probability of not event equal to what? 1. So this P of E we are having, then we will solve for P of not E, then we are getting 0.95. This is the required answer. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.